Today, we're diving deep into the delicious world of boba tea and answering the age-old question, what exactly is boba tea made of? To start off, let's talk about the main components of boba tea. First up, we have the tea base. Traditional boba tea is typically made with black tea, green tea, or even oolong tea. Each type of tea brings its own unique flavor profile to the drink. Next, we add sweetness. Most boba tea recipes call for a sweetener like simple syrup or honey, but you can also customize the sweetness level according to your preference. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the boba pearls themselves. These chewy, tapioca pearls are what give boba tea its signature texture and make it so fun to drink. Tapioca pearls are made from cassava root starch and water, with the option to add flavors or colors to them. They're cooked until they reach the perfect consistency, chewy on the outside and soft on the inside. Of course, no boba tea is complete without a creamy element. Many recipes include milk or non-dairy alternatives like almond milk, coconut milk, or even oat milk. The milk not only adds a creamy texture, but also balances out the sweetness of the tea and adds a rich flavor. Finally, we put it all together by shaking the tea, milk, and boba pearls with ice until it's perfectly blended. As we conclude our exploration into the delightful world of boba tea, it's important to appreciate the cultural significance and global impact of this beloved beverage. Originating from Taiwan in the 1980s, boba tea has rapidly gained popularity worldwide, evolving into a symbol of cultural fusion and culinary creativity. Its versatility allows for endless experimentation, making it accessible to people of all tastes and preferences. Moreover, beyond its delicious taste and satisfying texture, boba tea has fostered communities and connections, bringing people together over shared experiences and love for this unique drink. Whether enjoyed alone as a moment of relaxation or shared among friends during lively gatherings, boba tea has a remarkable ability to create memories and forge bonds. So, the next time you take a sip of boba tea, remember the journey it took to reach your cup, from the humble origins of tea leaves and tapioca pearls to the vibrant tapestry of flavors and cultures it represents today. Cheers to the endless possibilities and joyful moments that boba tea brings into our lives. Until next time, keep exploring, keep sipping, and keep spreading the love for boba tea. And there you have it, a refreshing and delightful cup of boba tea, ready to be enjoyed. But remember, the beauty of boba tea is its versatility, so feel free to get creative with different tea flavors, toppings, and sweetness levels. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more boba tea content. Until next time, happy sipping!